Okay guys, I'm actually going to try to talk as loud as I can. As you guys know that I'm already struggling with the audio. So I went to go and get myself a mic. Like rushing off to work, I was so excited. I posted a picture in Instagram showing you that I got the mic. And so when I came back home, I literally like ripped the packaging open. I'm showing you this live. I ripped the packaging open and there is no mic inside. There is no mic. It's like what the moment for me right now. It's like, did they just sell me a display box? I was so busy today at work that I didn't even open it up to check it, go down and get it exchanged. And if they're gonna give me like, oh, because you tore the packaging, we can't refund you, I'm just gonna get mental at the shop there. And then I started laughing to my mom so badly. I was like, Ma, they literally sold me a mic. I paid, but there's no mic. There's no mic inside. So moving on, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, comment down below. Keep commenting down below and let me know what you guys think. So stay tuned, keep updated, subscribe to my channel, click the notification button. Thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. So this is what I created today. It wasn't like a planned video, it was just something that I had at the top of my mind that I wanted to create for you guys. Created this nice, vampy, not punch in the face kind of makeup look. We'll get this video started right now. My foundation is already done. I got foundation lips right now. If you're wondering what foundation I'm using, I actually use the Urban Decay All Nighter to the Urban Decay Weightless Skin because both are not my shade. So when I mix both of them up together, plus this is finishing, it matches my shade. Okay, moving on. So I have not done my concealer, so I'll be going in with the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. So I'm just gonna apply a very small amount around my eye area. I'm not gonna drag it across my eyes. You will know when I'm actually trying to blend it out. You will know how much this concealer actually takes to actually blend out your under eye. You don't need a lot, guys. Then I'll set my face with the Beauty Bakiery Flower Powder, setting powder, and it's in the shade Yellow. Okay, so today's eye look is going to be on a very dark, a vampy look. I've always wanted to do like a black halo smoky eye, so today that is what we're going to do. And we're gonna make it beautiful, guys. Okay, so for this look, I'll be going in with my Morphe 35F palette. So picking up this very light peachy shade right here, I'm just gonna go up and build the shade as it goes along. Very light orange brown, maybe a very light tinge because that is what I want. I want to actually gradually build out the shadows. I don't want to go straight with the black in and then mess my eye look up. And then I'll be going in to pick up this brown right here, which is just a darker version of this. This palette do not have like a very matte dark purple. Okay, so I'll be going in with this purple shade, which this is from Sephora, and this is called After Work Drink. It's just a purple matte shade because I didn't want to pick up the shimmer shade because it will mess up the look. Just blend it at the crease area, guys. Don't go up too high. It will start to darken up already. Bit by bit, build it up as you go along. Okay, using the same brush that we use for the purple, you don't have to change your brush. Just take a little bit of black, guys. A little bit. And we are just going to drag all over the lid and bring it to the inner corner. We're going to take a little bit more purple. Going to blend out the edges. We don't want the black to be overpowering the purple. Then it will look really sloppy. And then we're going to take a clean brush and we're just going to blend out the edges. This part you don't need to be precise. Just blend out the edges, guys. Actually, to be very honest with you guys, I'm actually winging it. I did not plan for this video, but I've always wanted to do like a very dark, a vampy look. A medium to dark skin tone, it can be very scary for it to go overboard real quickly. For low lash line, I'm going to just pick up a little bit of black first. And then we are going to take the same purple, take a clean brush and blend out as much as you can underneath your eyes. For the last step of this look would be any metallic foil shade that you have, which is almost like to the pearly champagne side. So I have the one from Colourpop and this is Wisp. It's their Super Shock Cheek. So it's actually a highlighter. I'm just going to apply that on top of my lid. Just going to take the same pencil brush I used to smoke my lower lash line and just blend out the cream highlighter. I don't know how sometimes people can actually use like 10-15 brushes on one eye look. For lower lash line, I'll be going in with the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. This is like my favorite purple eyeliner, which is we gotta highlight the brow bone and the inner corner of your eyes, of course. So for the brow bone highlight, I'll be going in with this white one at the corner. For the inner corner, I'm using this small, cutest Morphe brush. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and put on my lashes. So for lashes, I'll be going in with the Natasha Denona lashes, and this is in the shade Sophia. Okay, so the lashes is on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do a very thin line just to match up with the lashes, so it doesn't look fake, even though it's fake. Pretty much. So for contouring, I'm going to go in today with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. Of course, I'm going to pick up this shade right here, which is called Earth. It's a perfect shade for me, though it's not too dark. So I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, and today we are going to snatch it up so we can contour it as sloppy as we want. First, just... Okay, maybe not this brush. This brush sucks. Okay, this works. Morphe 460, and please always, it has to be similar. One cannot be up and one cannot be down. Your face will look real funny. It has ever happened to me once before. I felt so awkward. It's like one cheekbone was smaller and the other one was like so, because of the illusion that it gives you. So for blush, we'll be going in with the Urban Decay Afterglow 8-Hour Powder Blush in the shade Bittersweet. Take your powder brush. Okay, so moving on to highlight, going back to my all-time favorite highlighter, which is the Too Faced Prismatic Highlighter in the shade You Light Up My Life. You guys always light up my life when I do videos for you guys. And since we got a different color brow bone highlight going up there, we don't want to bring it up, we just bring it right across cheekbone, just like that. Okay, so for lips, you can go for something like really dark, really vampy, or you can go something for real neutral. I'm gonna give you guys actually two choices. You can wear whatever shade you feel comfortable to wear with. Tartiest Lip Paint in the shade, what shade is this? TBT. I like small things actually. Small in size when it comes to makeup, or yeah, or anything that I really am passionate about. I just can't help myself, just get it guys. Like, and then the second one will be something like real dark, real dramatic. So this is the Kat Von D in the shade Damned. I found that was too dark, guys. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and definitely I would love to see you come back and see me on my next video. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this video as well. And don't forget to click the notification button, the bell button right beside the subscribe. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.